Hello everyone, so we are here for a special review, as I talked about in the review of SMS edition, VSAKCS limited edition 2021. So this is a knife which comes from Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society. So it's like an association. There are members. Today it's between 300 and 400 members. Every year they produce on their behalf a Victorinox knife, which is of course made by Victorinox. So we'll see the knife, I'll talk about it of course. So see you in 10 seconds. So we have a certificate here. Here we have number. It's the number 294. So we have 350 pieces worldwide. And basically it says the same as usual. Congratulations. Proud owner of limited Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society 21st year commemoration knife. So it's been 20 years that the association exists. So you can pause the video if you want to read this, but I won't read everything. So for the knife, it's VSAKCS, of course, black. So they say it's a modified Farmer X, but I would also call that Harvester X, because it's exactly as an harvester, but we add scissors and the keyring. So 93 millimeters in length, thickness is 17 millimeters, and it weighs around 110 grams. Here we have the item number, which is 08271 X5, and they call that Farmer X. Of course, it's a special modified Farmer X. So basically, we have a reamer. Also at the back, we have VSAKCS Collectors Society. We have the blade with the year on the blade. Jahr is year in German, so the year 2020. Why 2020? Because it was made in 2020, but it was made in late 2020, and they only got them in January of this year, 2021. But it's the knife of 2020. So next we have scissors. We have the saw, wood saw. We have bottle opener, flat screwdriver, large and large flat screwdriver, and wire bender. And finally, we have the pruning blade. It's exactly as harvester, but we added scissors and the keyring. But that's why I would say it's Harvester X, because when we add scissors, we call that X, like Pioneer. We add scissor and we have Pioneer X, Farmer. We add scissors and we have Farmer X. So it's a really beautiful knife, special one, so limited to 350 pieces. So VSAKCS is an association with members between 300 and 400. And when you're a member, you can, of course, order this knife. For the price, it was $90, which makes 75 euros, plus you have shipping, of course. So it's not that much. It's a really beautiful knife, exclusive one. Also, it has 9 functions for this one. The Farmer X, the regular Farmer X, has 10 functions. As we lost can opener, which has the flathead screwdriver. It has 2 functions, but here we have only 1 function, so we lost 1 function. So instead of 10, we have 9 functions. So that's it for the review. I hope you liked the video. As always, you can comment, say what you think about it. If you have questions about VSAKCS, also you can ask me. If you like the video, you can like it, leave a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There will be more and more videos about knives like this, about regular knives, 91 millimeters, 84, 74, etc. And so see you for the next video. See you next time.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig